No, we don't have to bring our stuff on Tuesday
Yeah.
because of the field trip.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Tell them you're here.
Go upstairs and say, Buddy's here.
Okay.
Say, Buddy's here.
But the captors are down here.
Oh, she's up there. Go
Heather's
tell
up there.
her.
Miss
Go tell
Heather's
Heather.
here.
Here, baby. Put your bag down. Tell them who's here.
How are you? Are you going back to tennis today?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Look what's on the back of our shirt.
No way. Where'd you get that?
At the store, remember? All right, ready? Go, go, go. All right, have a great day. No, leave that here, buddy. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Are the counselors gonna bring it there?
Mm-hmm, they will.
We know where to go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Open the book bag and then.
Uh-huh. Off they go.
I remember that crap place.
You do?
It's where I made the.
Okay.
I love you guys.